So this is quite inaccessible, so it's got the no drop curbs on this side of the road. There's drop curbs here, but there's nowhere to get off this road to there. There's no drop curbs down this side. We haven't checked this side, but opposite I noticed there's building work, so you can't get past either. So we're just gonna go around. So it changes the route slightly, but I think we'll be fine. So we come into a bit of a problem, so we've gone round the building work, then I got off this drop curb, but it's not really a drop curb, so I can't get back on it. And then over here there's a barrier, so you can't go round. Then you can go on this grass, but not all wheelchairs are able to go off-road. And then we have this no drop curb here to get back on the pavement, so most wheelchair users at this point have to go on the road, which is not safe. So yeah.